What if I told you that there is a smartphone in existence today that is worth significantly more than a multi-million-dollar Lamborghini hypercar? Or what if you discovered there is a high-tech television that literally rises seamlessly from the floor and costs more than most premium suburban homes? For the world's wealthiest elite, consumer gadgets represent far more than mere utilitarian technology. Instead, these incredible devices serve as ultimate statements of absolute power, supreme exclusivity, and unparalleled engineering prowess. Today, we're exploring built for the ultra-rich, from futuristic technology to multi-million-dollar innovations. These devices showcase what happens when money is no object. As the countdown progresses, the prices get even more unbelievable. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 7, we have the legendary Aston Martin AMR C01 racing simulator. While average gaming enthusiasts settle for standard plastic steering wheels and commercial monitors, the world's billionaire class builds professional Formula One training experiences right inside their custom estates. This highly sophisticated simulator is not just a standard gaming rig. It is a meticulously constructed, professional-grade virtual racing machine wrapped in the luxurious design language of a modern hypercar. The specifications of the Aston Martin simulator are truly mind-blowing. It features a genuine carbon fiber monocoque cockpit design, professional-grade force feedback steering systems, an ultra-wide curved visual display, and top-tier computational hardware. With prices starting at $75,000 and easily crossing $100,000 for custom configurations, this simulator costs as much as a brand new Porsche 718 Cayman in several international markets, setting a very high bar for the rest of our luxury countdown. At number 6, we introduce the groundbreaking LG Signature OLED R television, which completely reimagines how we view entertainment systems. Imagine entering a minimalist living space, pressing a single button on a remote, and watching a massive, ultra-thin television screen elegantly roll out from a beautiful, low-profile aluminum cabinet. This rolling mechanism was once considered impossible, requiring years of rigorous mechanical engineering and hundreds of thousands of individual durability stress tests to perfect. This breathtaking television features a 65-inch 4K OLED panel with self-lit pixels, combined with cutting-edge Dolby Vision visual processing and Dolby Atmos immersive audio. Originally launching with a staggering price tag ranging from $87,000 to well over $100,000, it may not mathematically offer the absolute best picture quality on the market, but it serves as an extraordinary testament to mechanical engineering and minimalist luxury design. Coming in at number 5, we have the magnificent Bang & Olufsen Beolab 90 audio system, retailing between $130,000 and $150,000. While standard speakers simply produce sound waves, the Beolab 90 actively sculpts the auditory environment. These monstrous speakers represent some of the most advanced consumer acoustic technology ever envisioned and manufactured. Each individual speaker unit is packed with a jaw-dropping array of 18 premium drivers, 14 separate amplifiers, and an output capacity of 8,200 watts. Utilizing state-of-the-art active room compensation, the system electronically reads the room and precisely directs audio waves, costing more than most luxury sports cars, yet delivering an unparalleled experience for audiophiles. At number 4 is the majestic C-Seed N1 folding television, carrying a price tag that ranges from $200,000 to well over $400,000. Unlike standard units, this giant screen folds and retracts automatically into a concealed floor compartment, looking like a high-tech prop straight from a futuristic sci-fi masterpiece. Available in sizes reaching up to an enormous 165 inches, this display offers an expansive viewing surface, larger than the entire floor plan of many luxury apartments. Specially targeted at multi-million-dollar villas, super yachts, and elite estates, The CC'd N1 elevates premium home entertainment into an artistic architectural installation. Taking our third spot, we dive into luxury custom-crafted smartphones designed by Caviar, ranging from $10,000 to over $500,000. Caviar takes standard modern flagship smartphones and reconstructs them from scratch, utilizing pure 24-karat gold, rugged aerospace titanium, natural diamonds, high-grade carbon fiber, and ancient rare meteorites. These hyper-exclusive, handcrafted masterpieces are often produced in highly restricted production runs of fewer than 99 units worldwide, ensuring that only a handful of wealthy collectors ever hold them. While entry-level customized options start at $10,000, the rarest collector variants can scale all the way to $500,000. Carrying one of these phones means walking around with the equivalent cost of a luxury suburban estate sitting casually inside your pocket, blending elite jewelry with modern everyday telecommunications technology. At number 2, we look back at a legendary device, the Goldvish Le Million, priced at a breathtaking $1.3 million. Long before luxury modern smartphones became common status symbols, Goldvish designed a phone explicitly optimized for unmatched exclusivity and high society prestige, rather than raw technological performance or software utility. Constructed from pure 18-karat white gold, wrapped in finest premium leather, and encrusted with hundreds of individually hand-placed diamonds, this phone's design leans heavily on classical high-end jewelry. Spending $1.3 million on a phone could easily purchase multiple luxury villas or an entire fleet of exotic supercars, yet it was spent on a dial-up mobile. Finally, at number 1, we present the ultimate pinnacle of luxury, the Falcon Supernova iPhone 6 Pink Diamond, valued at a spectacular $48.5 million. Although the underlying hardware matches a standard smartphone, its entire backplate is crafted from precious metals and features an incredibly massive, ultra-rare pink diamond perfectly mounted in the center. To put this staggering $48.5 million price tag into perspective, this single device is worth more than a modern private executive jet, a fully crewed ocean-going super yacht, or dozens of expansive luxury mansions. It is not really a phone anymore. It is an unpriceless piece of historic jewelry that simply has the capability to make calls. These were 7 of the world's most extravagant gadgets, where luxury meets innovation. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing tech, luxury gadgets, and future innovations.